Division, sharing with remainders. Sometimes we can't divide into equal whole numbers and we have a remainder. 47 divided by 2. Using our place value, 47 is the same as 4 tens or 40 plus 7 ones or 7. We can try to split the number into 2 equal groups. First the tens, 2 tens, then the ones. 3 ones, but we have 1 remaining and we'd have to split it in half to keep the 2 groups equal. So the value of the equal groups is 2 tens or 20 plus 3 ones or 3, 20 plus 3, which equals 23 plus a remainder of 1. So our answer we'd write 23, our remainder 1. Read the question carefully to understand what we need to do. Amira is making 5 party bags and has a sheet of 21 stickers to divide equally. How many stickers will go into each bag and how many will she have left over? What's the question asking you to do? Divide 21 by 5. So we'll use our times tables to get as close as we can. 5 times 4 equals 20. That's close, there are 4 stickers in each bag. Then 21 minus 20 equals 1. So there's 1 sticker left over. Some questions include units. John has £105 to spend on games. Each game costs £9. How many games can he buy and how much money is left over? What's the question asking you to do? Divide 105 by 9. Divide the numbers as normal and remember to include the right units in your answer. Use your times tables to get as close as we can. 9 times 11 equals 99. So John can buy 11 games. Now how much is left over? 105 minus the 99 equals 6. So John has £6 left over. Don't forget the units. Some questions have more parts. Mark has 58 sweets to share equally between himself and 6 other friends. If he gets his share and whatever is left, how many sweets will he have altogether? What's the question asking you to do? Divide 58 by 7, Mark and his 6 friends, to find the equal share they all get, and then the remainder, and add that on for Mark. We use our times tables to get as close as we can. 7 times 8 equals 56. So each friend gets 8 sweets. Then the remainder, 58 minus 56, equals 2. So Mark gets another 2 sweets of the remainder. Mark gets 8 plus 2, which equals 10 sweets. For bigger numbers, we use short division. A motorcycle race is 236 miles long. There are markers every 8 miles. What's the distance between the last marker and the finish line? What's the question asking you to do? Divide 236 miles by 8 miles. And the remainder is the distance between the last marker and the finish line. So 236 divided by 8. We divide one place value digit at a time, starting from the left, the biggest value. 2 divided by 8 equals 0, and we have a remainder of 2. We line the answers up in the same place value column 0 and carry the remainder to the next column, the 2. Now we have 23 divided by 8. 2 8s are 16, so the answer's 2 with a remainder of 7 that we carry forward. Now 76 divided by 8 equals 9. 9 8s are 72, and we have a remainder of 4. If we get to the last column and there's a remainder, we can write it as part of the answer. So it's 29, remainder 4. The distance between the last marker and the finish line is 4 miles. Don't forget the units. Remember, When we divide, we share into equal groups. Sometimes we can't divide into equal whole numbers and we have a remainder. We can use our times tables, and it really helps to know your times tables with division. For bigger numbers, we use short division. Read the question carefully to understand what we need to do.